Hello, Cartoon for user. Yes, today I would like to show you how to create a subscribe button. Yeah. Now play. Okay. And how to create this one? So I would like to create new. Click this one. Yeah, create a new object. I click round. Ellipse tool to create a circle like this. Okay, this one I use Y. Yeah, Y. And stroke I use red. 3 stroke. And I draw another so called custom tab tool, and I use one, so one, yeah. So I draw this one red. Okay, and Control T to rotate this like this, and I draw another. Okay, this one like this. Okay, and drag this one. So I drop down. Yes. Okay. And click T to create subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Okay. Okay, and click T to change the color to white. And bell, so I would like to capture and draw this one. Yeah. T. Let's draw this. Okay, and put this bell to Y. Okay, and delete this bell part. This bell. And yeah. And so I would like to group. So this one I group one. This group one. Okay. Control G. This called button. And this called subscribe. Control G. And this called bell. Control G. Bell. So bell, we need to change the color. That all of this default, and we would like to change the color this one. So we would like to Control J, duplicate, or you can drag here to here to duplicate this one. Yeah. And this one we need. I hide this one. This one I need to change this to red one or black one. Like this. Okay, black one. Red to black. Or red to blue. Okay. If you like blue or yellow, so up to red. Okay, not to red one. This. Okay. Skip this one. Okay, and this one I need to change this color to maybe around gray, or this color. Yeah, color. So subscribe to blank. Okay, click T. This one to blank. Okay. Oh, sorry. Control V. Duplicate this one. Control G first, and click plus this one. Yeah, and group one, and Control J. So this one to change black. This one to change blue. Okay, like this. When we click, we open like this. Okay, And this one subscribe to ED, private to ED, so key, yeah. So we check this one, and we need to hide this group and this one. Okay, there. Okay, that one. Now the bottom this one, so I will change the color the same. I group again this one, group 1. Okay, and this one Control J, yeah, Control J, and default this one, and this one and we change this to blue like this, and this one to blue also. And when we click, we change color like that. I check again this one. Okay, ready. When ready, so we Control S to save. Click crop. So I would like to remove object animate, and I would like to put pivot point here for red one. So right click to run this one. So before launch, I would like to save this. I would like to use another, or I can adjust the color, so the original file. So I would like to save to CA4 and top. Okay, subscribe button 2. Save this. That means I back up this one. I delete, close this, and right click to run PSD editor. And so I would like to adjust this pivot, this one called sub, this one back to here. Okay, and Control S there. Okay, reopen this one. I can close this because I already back up one, so don't worry. I open again new object. So I would like to open cell 1, this one. Now I get back this one, so I would like to put one hand, so I forget to put hand, that you can find on internet, or you can draw new one. Okay, so now I have one. I download from PHP CA4, download this one, and Control G, this hand, HAN, and this folder I would like to drag to here, and Control S there. And I close this one, and right click to use run PSD data again. So I would like to click here and readjust this stuff to here, and Control S save. Okay, ready. So I would like to animate. I click this one and make sure frame 1, and click open this timeline and click object reflect. Okay, around 24 frame. Again, reset all. First frame we would like to reset also, and first frame that scene manager, and this pause up. Okay, and play. For bell, so I would like to reset all here, and from first start, so we drag to 0. Okay. And after that, for this hand, so I would like to reset all here, reset. and we'll click that here, and the middle for click start. This one drag down, play fast, very fast, so I can drag this. Okay. So this one I would like to hide, so I can drag this to 0 capacity, and this one 100. Okay, and the first frame 0. So when play, okay, like that. Okay, and now start click. The middle start click here. Reset, and we can zoom in. Okay, like this. Okay. I want the animate to look better, so I would like to click sub this one and click this transform this one, right click to transit curve, and I use this damping. Okay, and this hand, this hand the same, so when right there, so right click to use sub transit curve and damping. Okay, and click use damping also. Okay. And after that, so I would like to drag this hand to click the bell. This hand click there, click here. Okay, and this one double click. Yeah, double click will transform this one, transform, and here double. Okay, double click here and double click here. That means zoom in. Sorry. Zoom in. And use transit curve damping. Okay, damping, and after that, so drag it down. Again, drag it down. So click here to stand this hand, stand here, and after few frames, so we drag in back this and this. Sorry, this 100 and this one. We close this 0. Okay, again play like that. Okay. When we click, so we need to change this color just go outside, and we click here. We change this to that, and this one also. Yeah, and the bell. Start click. We change also. Okay, so okay, finish it. So finish here, and we can set this keyframe here. Finish. Okay. And I would like to use sound that click here, object, click sound effect that when click, yeah, click here, double click to get sound effect. Click, and here also double click, sound click bell. Yeah, such here. Okay, now finish. So I would like to select clip. Yeah, right click to add to action. Click the start subscribe. Okay. yeah, you can use it. So the same, if you would like to export to mobile, yeah, you can export as MOV video, big 1080p, yeah, 1080p resolution. So you can that means use camera, or you can use like this. Okay, and subscribe, so you can put here, yeah, put small here for subscribe, yeah, that one you can use like that. Okay, if you would like to add another animate, you can use elastic motion if you would like. So I happy to use this, so just export and I can use it. Okay, thank you guys, hope you understand and you can use subscription, yeah, that means create subscribe button in Cartoon 4. Yes, very easy, yeah, and fast way to do that. Okay, thank you guys, see you next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you happy and you love this video. Thank you, bye bye.